From Central Ohio's news leader. Presented in high definition, this is 10 TV News HD.
A new adoption law will give birth mothers some financial help along the way and put Ohio in step with most of the country. 10 TV's John Fortney spoke with a young mom who says it's about time.
Brooke was only a teenager when she made the toughest decision of her life.
You have that much love for your child that you know that you can't financially support them.
The old state law allowed the adopting parents to pay for medical and legal expenses. That was all. But a new law allows adoptive parents to pay up to a maximum of $3,000 for living expenses during and 60 days after the pregnancy. Brooke says it would have really helped.
I mean, it could have paid for, my help with my rent or, maternity clothes or gas even to get to the doctor's appointments.
Lori Gorno has 4 children, 2 biological, 2 adopted as infants.
One of them I held when she was an hour and a half old.
Lori and her husband hope to adopt again and would be happy to help with living expenses for the birth mother.
Sometimes they don't get paid maternity leave. And if they work for a large company, sometimes it's not full paid maternity leave.
Adoption lawyer Tommy Taniff believes there's an added benefit because other states already offer living expenses.
It helps, in my opinion, keep Ohio babies in Ohio for Ohio couples.
Some might see the money as an attempt to buy a baby, but Lori Gorno doesn't.
Immediate thought would be, wow, that's a lot of money. It's really not in today's economy, first of all. But secondly, birth parents and birth moms in particular are some of the most selfless people in the world. I say this all the time to people.
And again, that new law just signed by the governor allows a maximum of $3,000. The money is not paid directly to the mother by the adoptive parents. It must go through a lawyer, and it has to be approved by the court. Tracy?
John, thank you. And here now is a closer look at this new adoption law. Adoptive parents can pay up to $3,000 for the birth mother's living expenses. Those expenses can be paid up to 2 months after the birth, and they are all subject to court review, and all of the expenses must be paid, as John said, through an attorney.